My name is Rick Sykes, and I'm a general dentist with Virginia Family Dentistry. The reason that I chose dentistry is when I was in college, I actually volunteered at a remote area medical clinic in Buena Vista, Virginia. And I spent the whole weekend cleaning teeth and cleaning up after all the other doctors, and just fell in love with the relationship that the doctors would have with these patients and how appreciative all the patients were for the care. And that really kickstarted my journey in the field of dentistry. I was a biology major at Washington University, and after college, I went to VCU School of Dentistry. And graduating in 2018, I worked 2 years in public dentistry outside of Charlottesville, and I joined Virginia Family Dentistry in the fall of 2020. The aspect I appreciate most about Virginia Family Dentistry is the collaborative approach between all the doctors and all the specialists, and the primary focus is patient care. My primary interest in dentistry is taking a holistic approach and trying to provide whatever procedure the patient needs. I enjoy surgery and tooth replacement, whether that be implants or crown and bridge, but the ability to provide all treatments to patients is the number one reason why I chose to be a general dentist. Outside of dentistry, I enjoy exercising, spending time with my family, going on hikes in the greater Richmond area, and exploring the food culture in the city.